If you want a simple and reliable way to upgrade your home security without going fully high-tech, the TEEHO Te001 keyless entry door lock is a practical and user-friendly choice that focuses on convenience and everyday safety. Right away, the keyless keypad entry is the main highlight. You can unlock your door using a secure PIN, with support for up to 20 different user codes, perfect for family members, guests, or rentals. It even allows one-time codes for temporary access, which automatically expire after use. The auto-lock feature adds an extra layer of security. You can set it to lock automatically after a few seconds, so even if you forget, your door won't stay unlocked. There's also a wrong entry limit that temporarily disables the keypad after multiple incorrect attempts, helping prevent unauthorized access. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. It fits most standard doors and doesn't require any app, Wi-Fi, or complicated setup, making it a great option if you prefer a simple, reliable system over smart home complexity. You also get 2 physical backup keys, which is useful in case of low battery or emergencies. Speaking of battery, it runs on 4 AA batteries and can last up to a year with regular use, which keeps maintenance low. Build quality is solid as well. With a durable design and weather resistance, IP54 rating, it works well in different climates, whether it's rain, heat, or cold conditions. In real-world use, this lock is ideal for front doors, apartments, Airbnb setups, or home offices where you want easy access control without relying on apps or internet connectivity. Overall, it's a dependable, no-fuss smart deadbolt that balances security, simplicity, and convenience, perfect for everyday use. Click the link below for the best price.